good afternoon. Thanks for watching. I'm Nisha Jones with www.newyearnewcredit.com. I'm a credit repair consultant for financial education services, and I love helping people change their lives through the power of good credit. Today, I'm looking for two highly motivated people for a work-from-home position as a credit repair consultant. No experience necessary. Training will be provided. Benefits include credit restoration, weekly pay, commissions, bonuses, car bonuses, and a $100,000 life insurance policy, and more. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please drop a comment below or inbox me. If you know someone that may be interested in this opportunity, please tag them below. I appreciate referrals, and I give vacation vouchers for new agents and referrals. For more information, please visit my website, www.newyearnewcredit.com. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.